Welcome to Life Redesign Studio. Today we will learn about importance of meditation as per Acharya Chanakyaji. Meditation is a very powerful exercise. Many consider it a process that helps one transcend the limits of thought, but it is also a state of mind. A meditative person is focused, composed, clear and considerate. He knows what to do and what not to do. He knows when to start and when to stop. Meditation is not just something you do. It is also a state of mind to be in, something that you develop throughout your life. You turn meditation into a lifelong experience. The combination of contemplation, manan, and meditation, dhyana, leads us to a state of mind that is spiritual. The Arthashastra starts with developing the knowledge of Anvikshiki. Anvikshiki stands for many things, one of them being philosophical thinking. This can also be interpreted as meditation. So what are the benefits of regular and deep meditation? The highest benefit of meditation is self-realization, moksha, nirvana, jeev mukti, etc. All these are at the spiritual level. On the personal front, meditation is the last leap of faith that you take towards yourself, a leap that can benefit you at a worldly level. The first step to achieve success in this world is to have a calm and peaceful mind. Acharya Chanakyaji points out that one should meditate to keep the mind steady. When things are going completely wrong and one does not know what to do, one must find a way to keep calm. But when things are going right and everything seems to be moving in a positive direction, it's still important to keep calm. And this is achievable through the process of meditation. When you are relaxed in any situation, it brings about proficiency in thought, speech and action. Your thoughts are clear, you speak without confusion and your actions lead to success. As the Bhagavad Gita says, Yoga Karmsu Kaushala. Yoga brings excellence in whatever you do. As a beginner, here are some basic tips to help you meditate. Sit quietly. The first step in meditation is to sit quietly in one place. Start with 15 minutes a day and slowly, over a period of time, make it about half an hour or even 1 hour. Choose a time slot, preferably in the morning, and sit down in a comfortable place and position. Try not to change the place. This will help train your mind to be at the same place at the same time each day. Keep all gadgets and other unnecessary distractions away from you. Do request your family members not to disturb you during that time. Relax and observe your mind. Take a few deep breaths. Relax your mind and body. Positive affirmations like I am relaxed, I am calm, I am quiet all help one feel calm. Now watch your mind. Start praying to God. Since you are new to meditation, a small prayer asking for help from the Almighty is always a good thing. Surrender. No mind your thoughts will start receding. This is the time to be alert. In this relaxed state, it's imperative that you resist any urge to fall asleep. It is natural for a relaxed and calm mind to want to take a nap. But that is the opposite of meditation, which is a state of complete alertness. Keep doing this and try to be in the state of no mind and no thoughts for as long as you can. When you are done, try to keep yourself calm as much as you can even after leaving your seat of meditation. This state of mind will carry itself forward onto your work and the rest of your activities. And you will improve on every front. You will even have revelations. Srinivasa Ramanujan, the great Indian mathematician, used to pray and meditate and he could crack the mathematics of the universe. He once said, an equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. Finally, don't give up. There could be some failures in the beginning. But the secret of success is to continue meditating until you succeed. Stay connected with us.